Hi, this is Doug Howard with Grow Team Strategies, and I want to talk to you today about the importance of good accounting if you're thinking about succession for your business and possibly selling your business one day. In my experience, one of the biggest things that messes up an otherwise good deal is when a buyer gets into the financial information and there are things that don't make sense, or there are things that are proven not to be accurate, or there are things where there's a lot of volatility or inconsistency in the way things are being handled. As soon as a buyer starts to see some of those concerning items, they start to question really everything and the validity of what they're being told about the business and the opportunity that it represents and their ability to make profit in the future, which obviously makes them a little skittish about moving forward with a purchase. So, even though we always want to have good accounting, if you're thinking about going through the succession planning process, here are a couple suggestions for you. Number one, make sure you're using an outside accountant to validate the financial information that you're putting together, to do reconciliations, and make it something that can be affirmed by somebody outside your company that the financial statements are accurate and they make sense. The second thing is, if there are things on your balance sheet that have been there for a long period of time, maybe you don't even know what they are, get them cleaned up before year end, before another year end is done, so that you can get them accounted for and off the books, so they don't become distractions. The third thing is making sure that if there is a lot of volatility in your accounting, that you make sure you nail that down. Work in process is a great tool to even out the flow of how revenue is recognized, because you can look at the work actually being done, not just when it's sold, which can help a lot of businesses even out how revenue is being recorded and gross profit percentages that become much more consistent. The other thing is making sure that when you're looking at various categories that are in overhead, the things are clearly defined and you have a good understanding of what's in those categories. At the end of the day, we all want good accounting. You want to know where you stand in your business so you can make improvements and deal with problems when they come up. But if you're going to go through the succession process, getting that bookkeeping and accounting handled by someone other than the person that may be doing the bookkeeping in your company, and making sure that the books are clean will help you very much avoid problems as you go through the succession process down the road and possibly the sale of your business. So take a look at it, check it out. You can always reach me at doug.howard@growteams.com. Happy to talk to you about some of the things you can do to clean up your accounting to be ready for succession.